In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a merchant to Monarch Money. If you're looking to streamline your financial management and accurately track where your money goes, this feature is incredibly helpful. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to go to the Monarch Money dashboard. It's the main hub of activity and where you can access various financial tools and options. Once you're there, locate the Transactions tab. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can see a list of your financial transactions, providing a complete overview of your spending activity. Now, as you browse through your transactions, you might notice the option to add transaction. You'll find this generally above or next to your listed transactions, often highlighted for easy access. Go ahead and click this button. This feature becomes handy when you need to manually input a transaction that might not have been automatically imported or recorded. After clicking Add Transaction, you'll see a form appear on your screen. One of the fields in this form will be labeled Merchant. This is where you indicate who you made a payment to or from whom you receive money. Start typing in the name of the merchant. If this merchant is new, or if you haven't previously entered transactions with them, they might not show up in your pre-existing list. This is where the ability to create a new merchant comes into play. Once you've typed in the merchant's name, there should be an option appearing just below the field that says Create New Merchant. Click on that option to register this new entity as a merchant in your Monarch Money account. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure all of your financial data is accurately categorized and tracked. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a merchant to Monarch Money. This process allows your transaction tracking to be more precise, helping you maintain a comprehensive financial history. Whether it's for business purposes or personal budgeting, understanding exactly where your finances are going is crucial. In conclusion, adding a merchant in Monarch Money is easy and efficient. This tool not only helps you stay organized, but also gives you the full picture of your financial activities. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy budgeting, and I hope Monarch Money makes managing your finances a breeze.